This renovation was for a young family of 4. The couple has 2 little boys, and they were really looking for more space. They live in a great downtown Toronto neighborhood, but they couldn't find another house that would give them everything they wanted, and so they decided to renovate versus move. They already had an attic that was a little bit of a makeshift bedroom with a big walkout deck, so it really didn't function. No one with little kids uses a 3rd floor deck because they're always downstairs. And so they brought us on to bump out the entire 3rd floor of the house to make a beautiful master suite. When you walk down the hall of this 3rd floor addition, the first thing you see are those spectacular doors. They were just an idea I had from the very beginning. They are the pièce de résistance. The pocket doors are made by 1925 Workbench here in Toronto. The doors are painted a beautiful blue. They have a curved detail, so it's an arch. It feels a little bit reminiscent of a church door or something more traditional. And then you open these beautiful doors to a very soft and soothing master bedroom. The bedroom is so lovely. It worked out even better than I could have imagined. There's a light soft blue Grasscloth, which really steals the show. Grasscloth is a really nice touch too because it has a little bit of sound absorption, it has texture to it. You don't need to add a lot of art to the walls when you have a beautiful Grasscloth. The white oak floors are a lovely canvas to the layering that goes on top. So there's the custom rug that we had made. It's a really great designer trick. You can take a broadloom. This one was from Studio 321B here in Toronto, and they measured the space for us, had it cut to the size that we needed, and then bound in that contrasting black tape. What I like is that it's a lot more affordable than finding an area rug, and it fits the space perfectly. The 4-poster bed is very modern, but I think that's what helps keep the space from feeling too traditional. This bed is so unbelievably solid. It's a metal frame. It was made here locally, and it just elevates the eye right up to the top. I think it's really quite stunning. I had this vision of a 4-poster, but I knew that the ceilings were really only 8 feet tall. So in order to have that 4-poster feeling without it dominating, I decided to paint the black on the bottom and then paint the white on the top. So by having the white on the top, it feels a little bit lighter and a little less oppressive, and it works in the space. The bathroom that we designed is one of my favorite parts of the reno. It's really bright and airy. It felt really dark when we were mid-reno, so we decided to add a skylight, and it was the best part of the bathroom. It adds tons of natural light. You don't even need the lights on in the middle of the day. The vanity is a really great example of sustainability in design. So we are trying to be a little bit more mindful by using locally sourced wood to build the vanity. It has less of a carbon footprint, and it's also beautiful and extremely durable. The shower is amazing. I'm super jealous. I wish I had one of those in my house. It's a walk-in curbless shower. We added the valve, so when you turn on the shower, you don't have to get wet. Because in these old Toronto houses, as you know, sometimes it takes a while for the water to heat up. So that's kind of a nice bonus feature. There's of course in-floor heating throughout the bathroom, and there's little tucked away storage in the corner beneath the dormer. The floor tile is another part of the bathroom that I love. It's from Creekside Tile. It is a beautiful mosaic. What's nice is it has anti-slip properties because there's a lot of grout. It's a great choice to put in a shower for young and old. That way you don't have to worry about slipping when you have wet feet. It also fits perfectly with the cohesive design of the 3rd floor. The white and the black, they're classic, but they have a little bit of a modern edge in their shape. We did this little work nook for our clients when they have to work late or work from home, and I wanted to give it a little bit of personality. It was important to me that this work desk space not be in their main bedroom. The layout just lent itself to having it just outside the doors, which was a bonus. And then we added really pretty wallpaper just to get a little bit of personality. And it's soothing, it's soft, it's a little bit feminine, but I like how the feminine wallpaper contrasts with the more modern and masculine desk. Because this is a relatively small Toronto home, it's only about 18 feet wide. It's a semi-detached. It could potentially feel really closed in and tight for space. So our goal with doing space planning on this floor was to make it feel bigger than it is. And I really think we achieved that. I think we got really lucky with the length of the house. We managed to fit in all of the things that we needed. So we got the bathroom, we got a walk-in master closet, and an office nook, as well as a really nice sized bedroom to fit a king size bed. I think also by doing the white oak floors, keeping the paint relatively neutral, and doing really big, broad windows at the back to let in all the light, it makes it feel so much bigger than it really is.